Brinjal curry cooked in a thick mustard sauce gravy. This is one of my favorite recipes. If you're someone who looks away from brinjals, then this recipe will surely win your heart. Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bombi. This is one of my best recipes for brinjal. So let's get started. Let's make the mustard sauce first. I need black mustard seeds, white mustard seeds and white poppy seeds. If poppy seeds are unavailable where you live, you can use 4 to 5 cashew nuts or maybe a tablespoon of chopped fresh coconut. Add hot water and let the seeds get soaked for about 2 hours. After that, drain all the water through a strainer. Put the seeds in a blender jar. Add a green chili to it and half a teaspoon of salt. Then add little water at a time and blend it. Do not add too much water in the beginning as the seeds won't get well blended, so add water little at a time and blend. You will need a smooth paste like this. Pour it out into a bowl. Then those of you who have been following me for a while now know that my no wasting policy will come into the scene, as I added water to the jar to get all that sauce till the last drop. Now to this I added some yogurt as it gives a nice tangy flavor to the mustard sauce. Then turmeric powder, without which Indian cooking will remain incomplete. Mix everything very well and your mustard sauce is ready. Next comes the star of the show, the brinjal or eggplant or maybe aubergine, depending on which part of the world you are in and how you want to call it. Cut it lengthwise, then cut each half again lengthwise, and then cut across. You need fairly large pieces like this. Here my pan is heating on medium-high heat. Being a person from West Bengal, I personally love using mustard oil for this particular recipe, but you can use any oil according to your preference. If using mustard oil, allow it to become smoking hot. Then I need nigella seeds. Add it to the hot oil and let it splutter. Then add little bit of turmeric powder to the oil and then immediately add the brinjals. Sprinkle some salt and fry them on medium-high heat till they develop this brownish color. Now that my brinjals look well fried, I will add the gorgeous mustard sauce. Then I added little bit of red chili powder. Stir everything on medium-high heat for a few minutes so that the sauce also gets well fried. Then I added whole green chilies. If you do not want your curry to be too spicy, add the green chilies whole like this. In that way, they will release only their lovely flavor, keeping their spiciness within them. Now cover the pan. From time to time, open the lid and give a stir. If you see the gravy is getting too dry, add a splash of warm water to loosen up the sauce. Then I added little sugar to balance the flavor. As mustard is quite sharp in flavor, you need to mellow it down with little bit of sweetness. Cover the pan again till the brinjals get tender. After about 10 minutes, the gravy looks great. The brinjals have become tender as well. Do a taste test at this point and adjust the seasonings. I felt it needed a little bit of salt. Then, just like they do in Chinese or Korean cuisines, sesame oil is added at the end. I love adding just a teaspoon of mustard oil. This is totally optional, but if you like mustard oil, then please do add it. Then finally some freshness to the curry, some roughly chopped coriander leaves without which the curry will remain incomplete. That delicious mustard sauce clinging onto the brinjals This curry is so yummy that I do not need anything else. All I need is a bowl of hot steamed rice, as this curry goes best with rice. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.